Today I'm gonna make a sandwich. First, grab a plate, then connect your toaster. Then grab all the ingredients you need. Then put your bread on the plate. Then add cheese, and ham. And put your other slice up top of your sandwich. And put it in the toaster for approximately 2 minutes. After that, put your ingredients away. Finally, grab your sandwich with a spatula out of the toaster and put it on your plate and enjoy. Thank you for watching another one of our videos.